Hello everyone, welcomes to my channel Everything PS. This tutorial is the third one in the course of DaVinci Resolve 16. Except for you, a new lesson in the course explained by the DaVinci Resolve program. And with us today, explain the tab cut. Let's start. In the previous video, we learned about tab media and how it works to import files into the program. Whether it is video, pictures, or sound, we also learned how to place files inside the master in order to organize the work in payroll. Now we will move to tab for cutting. Also, what is the benefit of this tab within the program, bearing in mind that there is another tab for edits. This tab, we can say, is a mini program inside the DaVinci Resolve program for those who want to do a quick job on the video, just cut, transitions, rotate the video, etc. Whoever wants to do this can quickly work in this tab. There is this arrow here. When I open it, there is the master inside it, there are the files inside that you put in the media tab. We open the video, for example. You can also import media from within the cut tab. Through this icon, or import an entire folder through this icon. From here, you can control the way videos are displayed, either by thumbnail or list or by timeline. Or from here you can search for any video if you know his name. Let's show the videos in thumbnail mode. This screen on which videos appear, if you click on any video, directly appears on this screen. And when you click the play button, the video starts playing. Above the display, there are three icons. The first icon is called the source clip. When you click on this icon, you view the raw materials for your videos. As for the second icon, when pressed, the program will display all the videos on the preview screen. This makes selecting the desired video faster. Below is an icon named Fast Review. When you click on it, the program displays the videos quickly, and if there is a video for a short period of time, it slows down so that you can see what is inside this video. As for the third icon, called Timeline. And when you click on it, it displays the videos here below on the timeline. Therefore, now he does not display any videos because the timeline is free. If we add a video for the timeline, it will be displayed immediately on the preview screen. Here on the right side, there are some icons too. This first icon, when clicked, displays the resolution that you want to work on within the program. Here is Ultra HD, Full HD, etc. Alternatively, you can choose the custom tray. This window will appear for you, you can enter it and choose any quality you want. And also control the frame rate and all data for the video that you want to produce. Below, next to the fast preview icon, is another icon called Tools. This icon is very important because inside it there is scale, rotation, speed, and transform. Here there is the first icon called transform. When pressed, you can control the size of the video. Through these tools here, you can change the location of the video to control its rotation and video rotation. And also you can flip the video to the right, left, up, and down. Below is the reset icon. When pressed, and it restores the video to its original position. The second icon here is the crop, and when you click on it you can clip from the video as you like. As for the third icon, it is specialized in the audio, through which you can raise or lower the volume. The fourth icon is specialized for the duration, where you can speed up or slow down the video. We move to the fifth icon, called a camera, and we use this icon when you are filming a video and there is vibration for the camera while filming. You fix the video and reduce vibration. As for the sixth icon, it is called dynamic zoom, and this icon to explain the usage requires another video, which we will explain later. The seventh icon, called composite, which controls the transparency of the video, reduces it or provides it. And you can also change the blend mode. Finally, you can show and hide these tools by clicking on the tools icon. Now let's move on to the timeline. The first note when looking at timeline is the presence of two timeline. The timeline above is the alternative to zoom in and out in the timeline. Also, you can notice that the playhead that does not move is the timeline. You can control the movement or stability of the playhead. From here there are these two icons, the first lock playhead, it locks the playhead, the second, the free playhead, and makes the playhead free movement like other video editing programs. And this magnet-like icon here is called snapping, and it shows the border on the timeline when inserting any video, as it facilitates your work to place the video where you want it. This icon here is called a marker, and it is used to place a marker on the timeline in specific places that you choose to put effects on the video. And this icon through which you can add new tracks to timeline. You can also delete any track you want by clicking here. Right-click and choose to delete the track. Alternatively, you can right-click here and choose to delete empty tracks. The program will delete all empty tracks at once. In general, when you include any video to timeline, it creates a new track automatically. Now how to make a video clip on the timeline. The first way is to choose the place where you want to cut it and go to the playhead and click on it. Right-click and then click on the scissors shape. When you press on the playhead right-click, a choice appears on the right and another on the left. When clicking on the right selection, it will select all to the right of the playhead. And so on the left when clicking on it, it will select all to the left of the playhead. Let's move on to another point. When clicking on any video, it appears in the preview screen. And if you want to take a specific part of the video and work on it in the timeline, move this little playhead to the beginning of the part you want and press the letter I. Move the playhead to the end of the part you want to take and then press the letter O. Now drag the selected part and drop it on the timeline. Another way to implement this process is by dragging this arrow from the left to select the beginning and from the right. Drag this arrow to select the end. Then, drag the selected portion to the timeline. Another way to put videos on the timeline. Select any video and then click on this icon. The video will be directly placed on the timeline. There are some icons here. What is the use of these icons? The first icon places a video between two videos on the timeline. Let's see the second icon. When clicked, inserts the video at the end of the timeline. The third icon, when clicked, replaces the selected video on the timeline with the video you want to insert. As for the fourth icon, when clicked, it inserts the specified video into a new track on the timeline. As for the fifth icon, when selecting a video and clicking on this icon, it inserts the video above the video on the timeline in a new track. And the benefit of this icon appears when using the multicam feature. We will explain it in a video later. We are satisfied with this explanation today. Wait for the next video in this course. I hope you enjoyed it. If the video was helpful for you, to hit on the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the bell button on so you don't miss the next videos. And if you have time to learn more, look at the old videos on the channel. See you in a new video soon. Goodbye.